Today, from the amazing fact file, Mr. Hénaff's secret recipe. It was in 1907, in the Bigouden area of Brittany, that Jean Hénaff started an industrial venture and opened a cannery. One has to say, Mr. Hénaff was a man of good taste, and the pleasure he derived from giving people peas or a good pâté to taste was nothing compared to the efforts he put into preparing them. It was in 1914 that Jean Hénaff thought up the brilliant idea, which was to lead to his success. A recipe for a pâté, of which the great originality was that it used every bit of the pig. Pâté Hénaff, guaranteed pure pork, was to sweep the world.